the available puppies at 2 weeks old from left to right. We have Spence. Here's Spence. We have Arthur, wrinkle face. Then we have Doug, really sleepy Doug. And then we have Danny with his one spot. Hello, Danny. And then we have little Kelly girl over here. Hey, Kelly. This is Kelly. Alright, so we've got Kelly and Danny. Come here, Kelly. And Doug and Arthur. Come here, Spence. And Spence. There he is. Hey, Spence. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There they are. Oops.